Hello, in this video, I will show how to sync VS Code with your GitHub account. This way, when you carry out the same steps I will present here on different computers, your VSCODE settings will be synchronized. Now, type the email and the password of your GitHub account to sign in. If you don't have a GitHub account, go to github.com to create your account first. VS Code now is syncing, and this may take some time. And that's it. Now your VS Code is synced with your GitHub account. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button.